Hello students, I am going to tell you about Home Science of class 12th. Chapter 2, Balanced Diet. A balanced diet can be defined as a diet which provides sufficient calories, protein, vitamins and minerals to maintain a healthy body. It means the knowledge of food materials, their classification and the food value ranking in arranging a balanced diet. The knowledge of nutritional constituent of food present our common diets. For making balanced diet for any individual, we must consider the following factors: age, sex, occupation and climate. Nutrition experts have classified food materials into 4 groups on the basis of their food value. Number 1, milk and all milk product excluding ghee. It is important for all age group. Number 2, starch and the other starch containing food are important sources of energy. Whole grains are the best source of starch. Number 3, meat, fish, egg, pulses, seeds are rich sources of protein. Number 4, vegetable and fruits are rich in vitamins, mineral salts, iodine and fibers. Milk is considered to be a complete balanced diet since it contains carbohydrates, protein, fats, most of mineral, vitamins and water. Milk contain 3 to 4% protein, 5% carbohydrate and 3 to 6% fat and 87% of water. Malnutrition and deficiency diseases. The quality of food is very important in balanced diet. If all the important constituents of food are not inputted in the right proportion, the people suffer from malnutrition. This situation is reflected in the form of example, deficiency of protein caused kwashiorkor and marasmus. Iron deficiency causes anemia and scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of iodine. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D, etc. Cooking and preservation of food nutrition. As you know, cooking is an art as well as a science. Only man cooks his food in order to make more appetizing. For example, we notice an increased flow of saliva when appetizing food is seen or smelled. Result of cooking food is that the high temperature used kills disease, organisms and parasites. The basic purpose of cooking can be summarized in the following points: to make the food digestible, to make food tasty, to make food attractive, to make food varieties, food can be preserved. Some basic suggestion for good cook: cleanness, menu, method of cooking, to make food digestion and nutrition, serving method. Other precaution while cooking food: starch and water of food, stuffage should not throw away. Vegetable and milk should be boiled in iron pots so that they may receive some essence of iron with them. Some vegetables like carrots, tomatoes should be eaten raw. Always keep food covered. Unpolished rice is very useful. Food adulteration. What is the meaning of food adulteration? Mixture of cheap and inedible articles in pure food stuff is called adulteration. Nowadays, most of the food stuff are adulterated. What is the reason of adulteration? To gain more profit. Various things which are mixed in different food items. In ghee, dalda, boiled sugar, in milk, water, baking powder, in black pepper, seed of papaya, etc. What is the prevention of adulteration? The prevention is do not use spices sold in the market but prepare them at home. Number 2, purchase the edible from a label and standard shop. Purchase tea box if they are sealed. Demerits of adulteration. Food does not taste well, health is affected, body falls ill, it may cause cancer. We want to action against this adulteration. Firstly, inform the food inspector and inform the concerned with authorities. Hope that you have understand your chapter. Please continue your study. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.